RPG did their big one with this one. Big RPG, not the little one, okay? Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So doll, today I'm going to be reviewing a unit from my favorite wig vendor. I'm really excited to see what it looks like, so let's go ahead and try this unit on. Okay, so I am in love with this already. Let's see if y'all know why. My true faithfuls know how I feel about a side part. It's a side part wig. Okay, she's about to eat down. I already know. So this is their new Glueless Fit 2.0. And I do love the way this unit is fitting me so far. You know, for this to be a 13x6, look how the size of this lace is just laying down on its own. That's not something that you typically get from a 13x6. So that's really nice to see. Let's see what it looks like once I cut the lace and do the install. Okay, so this is a right side part, which is different from the side that I usually wear. I usually rock a left side part, but I can already tell this is gonna eat as well. Ooh, this color is gorgeous. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get this wig installed, baby. Okay, before I do, let me give y'all a close-up of the Pre-Plucked hairline. This is their, I guess, new Pre-Plucked hairline. I can't honestly say I could tell the difference between the old Pre-Plucked hairline. I actually never had a problem with the way they pluck their units, but I guess. And these are the natural knots. Y'all can see how natural these knots look like. It's giving scalp, right? Okay, this is RPG here. You know, the creme de la creme. We come to expect these type of things from them. Can you guys tell I'm excited to install this wig? Let's go. Whenever I'm with you, just hold me in a ecstasy. Oh yeah, y'all, this is the tinted lace, and I can already tell that I am loving the way this looks. Look at that. Woo. Okay, so this glueless fit, before I even add any product, can definitely be worn glueless, okay? The way this is laying down, look at that. No glue. Oh, one more thing. Even though this is a left side part, this is a 13x6 lace. So if you are a middle part girly, you do have the option to still part your hair freely. In the middle part, if you're a left side part girl, you can part your hair on the left side. You got a lot of lace space, so you can part your hair however you want. Just want to make sure I made that clear. Was going to spray this unit down or something, because if I'm being completely honest, I have grown tired of wearing all my wigs glueless. But baby, the way this scalp and a lace is blending, I can't. I just can't. I just can't. It's no need to. It's really no need to. I'm just gonna add a couple of curls back to this unit and I should be done. Okay, so I just went and I added some moves just in case it's showing up on film. So this is what it will look like if you add a little mousse on it. And I tied it down for about 5 minutes. That's really all I did. The hairline still eats. The hair still eats. Everything still eats. You will not leave hungry. That's pretty much all I'm going to do to this unit. But what I will tell you is I love this wig. I love this wig. So Selena, before you even send me an email and ask, no, I will not be selling this wig. Selena's one of the faithfuls here, and she's always emailing me asking me when I'm going to be reviewing an RPG show wig or if I'm going to sell any of my wigs. And if you guys haven't noticed, I typically don't sell my RPG show wigs. I selfishly keep almost all of my RPG show units. And I say selfishly because here's a fun fact. I typically don't wear most of my wigs. I have a ton of wigs and I'll wear one wig and that's it. Like I'll have one everyday wig and I'll be so lazy that I don't typically change it. So I'm really hoarding some wigs that I could be passing on to y'all that will go to good use. But I just really love RPG show units. Their colors is just usually something different. It's always something different that I don't typically get. Once you start reviewing wigs, all of the wigs, after a while, they kind of start blending in together. So most of them start looking alike, but RPG show units is always something different about their units, which is why I just be like, nah, I gotta keep this. But this unit, I think this is my favorite wig right now. I am in love with this wig. And this density is 200% density, and I think that has something to do with it. That along with the color, of course. I really like this color. All in all, this is a very quality unit. You can tell that they take time into making their units, and that's why their units come at a premium price. Like I always say, you get what you pay for, and this is no exception. This is a 20-inch unit, so I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see what it looks like how long it folds on me. And I'm also gonna show you what it looks like from the back. But guys, if you are interested, as always, everything is gonna be linked in the description box. But before we get out of here, I'm going to need y'all to help me name this beauty. Y'all better leave me a name for this one, because RPG did their big one with this one. Big RPG, not the little one, okay? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in the last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, hit that subscribe button. I love to have you. And while you're at it, why don't you check out these videos? You might enjoy them as well. As always, important. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.